Just what I like to see, guys. The overall market's going up and SoFi stock going up as well. SoFi ended up going up 36 cents on the day, up over 4%, closing over $9 a share as all the indexes in the US also went green. So in this video, we're going to break down the market, SoFi stock, my thoughts, what I'm doing. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you guys have to do is use that link down below or just go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys. Fund your account with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. Again, each up to $2,000. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, and that part of the promo is limited time. So use that link down below, and of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So like I said, guys, SoFi stock ended up going over $9 per share on the day. We closed over 4%, and look at how it did in the morning, guys. Right out of the gate, we ran from right around, where was it, 880 all the way up to around $9.05 in the first 5-10 minutes. Then we exploded all the way up to $9.20. So in around, let me see, about an hour and a half-ish, right? Yeah, about an hour and a half, less than that. This ended up going up around 5%. Not that crazy, but it's a pretty good move for the bulls, guys, considering how choppy SoFi's been. And you guys can see on the intraday chart, if I show you all this, we then ended up pulling back to about 880 again, which is where we opened. Like I said, we blew right above 880 at the gate, right out of the gate, and we pulled back to 880. Then we ended up closing on an upswing. Very good close for the bulls there, guys. We didn't take the highs out from the day, 920, but we did close above the moving averages. We closed on an upswing. We have a golden cross now in the intraday chart, and let me see exactly how much we ran up percentage-wise. We ran up around 3%, 25, 26, 7 cents, right around there. That is pretty solid. So for tomorrow, guys, now that the markets are closed, I'm looking to see if SoFi could make a move maybe towards 920. Maybe we break 920, which again was the high from today, and we'll see where it goes from that point. Now, let me show you on the 5-day chart what's going on. Look at that, guys. Now SoFi is trading above, obviously, the highs from yesterday, but now we're at a fresh high on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, and we are now officially above, let me see, 786 to 904. We are now up 15% off of those recent lows. That's a pretty big move there for SoFi. And on the 10-day chart, let me show you guys this. We are now approaching a big spot. Do you guys remember? We've covered this on the channel. As you guys probably know, we cover SoFi stock a lot here on the channel, guys. Obviously, it's not the only stock we talk about, but we do talk about it a lot here on the channel. We talked about how on the 28th, 29th, of June, heading into the 30th of June, we pretty much triple topped, or we had a head and shoulders, however you want to categorize this, guys. We had that play out, which obviously was, well, maybe not obvious to you. I'm looking at it now, and I'm about to tell you guys, we pretty much hit around $9.10. That's where these tops were here, guys, whether you want to call it a triple top or a head and shoulder, whatever, right? We struggled at about 9.10, 9.15, 20, throughout these 3 days. And that's where we are right now. Again, we're testing it right now again, and it's only Tuesday, guys. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There's 3 more days of trading, and in my opinion, we could be breaking out of this point fairly soon here. Is it guaranteed? Of course not, guys. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market, but it's a possibility. And we saw the pullback into the middle of the day, then the breakout into power hour. That leads me to believe bulls came in right before close. Maybe they're speculating on tomorrow's open, or what's going to happen during the day. I don't know. But overall, what I do know is if we do clear above 920, which again we failed at today, if we're able to break that point, retest it, and break it, this is going to start shooting towards $10 in my personal opinion, which you guys probably know. That was the high, roughly 10.25 back in the middle of June, just about a month ago, a little bit less than a month prior to me making this video. So yeah, needless to say, guys, 920, 925, 30, that is a massive spot for SoFi stock. and it needs to break. If it does break initially, we could start going 955, 960. If that were to break, 1020, 1025 could be next, which of course again was that high from the middle of June. That's where I think this could be going. So my alert's set at 920. I might as well put another one at 925. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above. There we go. Perfect. 2 alerts are set here on SoFi. And like I said, guys, the markets today, we might as well break them down quickly as we do slowly wrap up this video, or rather before we wrap up this video. The markets today did very, very well. The S&P went up 0.6% on the day. Let me pull up SPY and show you. We had triple Q up around, let me see, triple Q went up roughly, let's see, 0.5%, 0.5%. Now it's slowly starting to break out of this channel, guys, which is really good. You all probably remember we've covered it here on the YouTube channel, which is why you have to subscribe. And by the way, guys, subscribing is completely free, so feel free to do that. Hit that subscribe button. You might as well hit the notification bell as well. We've talked about it here on the YouTube channel, and now we're slowly starting to take out the channel on the 1 hour chart, and you could probably see it as well on the 10-day chart. So that's a pretty good sign for the bulls here on triple Q on the 30-minute. And SPY, let's go back to that, guys, is clearly breaking out as well. We're above the moving averages on the 30-minute. We have a golden cross. We're breaking out of this downwards channel. This is looking good, guys. Really, really good for the bulls. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And the Russell, guys, believe it or not, is back over 1,900 points. Very good. Very, very good for the bulls. If you guys have been watching the YouTube channel, you probably know that 1,900 is a sticking point, or at least it was. Now we broke above it. But it was a sticking point on the Russell for quite some time over the past couple of weeks. And back in the middle of November, heading into December, we failed at that point multiple times. But now we're starting to break out. We hit 1,900. We broke right through it, which is, great. And the crazy thing is, guys, that's after we dumped back almost under 1,800 points. I mean, look, we hit 1,900 earlier this month, about a week ago. Then we pulled down to about 1,820. That was a pullback of 4%. And in just the past 2-3 trading days, we recovered all that. And again, now with today's move of 1%, we've broken back over 1,900. So where could the Russell go next, guys? Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but by the looks of it, some key targets I'm looking at, 1930, that's a big one. 1960 is a big one as well. 2000, obviously, that's the high that we hit. When was that? Back in like February or something like that. Yeah, February, early February. That's where we could be going. And of course, the Dow, which you guys probably know if you've been watching my YouTube channel, is, struggling at 34.5, 35,000. That's been resistance for months, all year, stemming from the end of last year. So, of course, that level needs to break, which my alert now is at 34.8. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Again, it's free. Do that. Hit that notification bell as well. And guys, if you have not gotten your free money from Moomoo yet, the sponsor of today's video, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below, or just go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, each up to $2,000. And fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, the best part of the promo, fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And guys, that part of the promo is limited time, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video.